Welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to try and get the RV roadworthy for Drag Day 2023 in about 3 weeks time from now. Alrighty, when we got here this morning, I haven't been here in a couple of months. This is the RV storage, and I have solar panels on the top, but when I guess it rains, it gets dusty and dirty on the solar panels, so it doesn't really keep the batteries fully charged. So I had to bring my jump starter here to jump start the battery. So we're going to attempt to jump start this beauty and fire it up right now. You know, it's been sitting here for I think maybe 3 or 4 months. It's hard to get over here every day. I don't live close to here, but I'm neglecting it, and I'm ashamed that I do, being a car guy. Alrighty, we're gonna try it, and we'll see if it starts up in a few minutes. Alright, thank you. Okay, we got the battery jump. The RV started right up on the first turn, and we're gonna warm it up, and we're gonna take it on a road trip. I got I paid the registration. I just need to get it smogged, but I need to put some miles on it to get the brain and all that working again. So that's what we're planning on doing today. So come with me, and I'll show you the inside of the RV. Alrighty, come on in. Alright, the RV is a Stormy. It's a 29-footer, it's a Southwind, and I've had it for before COVID, and I thought I was going to lose it during COVID, but this is COVID paid is what paid the store for this to sit here the last couple of years. So without COVID pay during COVID, I probably would have had to give this away to some homeless person to live in it, and wouldn't have my dream RV. But I have it. I kept it, and so now we're gonna use it to go to the Drag Day event. All right, come on in. Alrighty, in the front here, it's a fully enclosed trailer. It's a 29-footer. It's had everything that come with it. I got it off of a family member that one of his neighbors both passed away, and they put on 30,000 or 28,000 miles, and right now I got 31,931 miles I put on in the last 5 years. So I haven't been using it much because it's really a gas guzzler, and it's hard to park and hard to store and hard to move and everything else. But when you do go on the road trip and out in the middle of nowhere, it's a perfect vehicle to have. We got the captain seats here. We got a pull-out bed, another captain's chair, all the cabinets. We got when I put the generators on, it's got a microwave, refrigerator right over here. I got a propane tank. It's got gas stove that needs to be cleaned, but I got it. Everything's here. Got the water tanks, storage, a bathroom, a shower, a bathroom, sink to clean, and another a bed, a queen size bed back here. So it's got all the needs you want when you want to go for a weekend travel. So, but we're gonna start to drive this in a few. Hopefully everything works out great, and we'll go from there. Okay. All right, we got it running, got up the temperature, getting ready to do our vital checks, and I accidentally hit the generator button on the side, and it killed everything. So I turned it back on, and I think by trying to jump it the first time, it sucked up all the power out of this beauty, and now it's not enough juice to make it jump start again. So I'm doing it old-fashioned way. I hooked up my car with the little bitty wires we got, and we're sitting here waiting. It's almost starting again, but we have to wait for a little bit to let it charge. It's like at 11.8 volts, and it just does that da 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 with the starter. So well, hopefully we can get it to fire back up again right now, and if not, we're gonna have to try again later on this week. Okay, we're back at it, round 2. I couldn't jump start with my car. My car didn't have enough power, so I went home. I forgot the cord to charge this thing up, and so I went home, charged it back up again, and we came back out here, and we got it fired back up again. And so I'm not going to touch anything. I'm just going to idle it, and we're going to attempt to go around the block for today. And I think I had to buy a new battery. I used it maybe, I don't know, 30, 40, 50 hours in the last 3-4 years. And when I put this on the first time, it was 1.5 volts. And now it's at 14 volts with the alternator and doing its thing. So this one's turned off, but it's just a volt checker right now. So what we're going to do is let it warm back up again. I'm going to put it in gear, drive it a little bit, and then turn the lights on and see if it doesn't die. All right, good luck. Wish me luck. Okay, progress report. We got it idling. It's up to temperature. I got it moved out of its spot, and we are ready to take our little adventure. Hopefully we make it around the block today and not stall out. But I got the battery jumper charged up again because I brought the cable, the battery cable to charge it. So we charged it all the way back up again. So if we do have troubles, we'll hopefully have enough juice to jump start it again. So, all right, we'll show you the way out of this place. All our fellow RV people. All right. And as you can see, we're in RV. I like to say paradise, but it's our RV graveyard. Unfortunately, having an RV is time-consuming and a lot of money if you don't have a place for it. If you have a place for it, then it's not too bad. Like in your driveway, you can always check on it and whatnot, but you gotta drive miles to come get it. It starts to be a drag. Okay, let's get away from this tree so it doesn't scratch the finish. And we're off. All right. Transmission still seems good. Motor seems good. Quiet as a church mouse, I guess they call it. Hopefully on this next trip I'll go over 32,000 miles in this thing. Alright, we'll come into the entrance of place, and we are free. Alrighty. Okay, we finally made it back to the RV. We did a 10-mile tour around Orange County, and it made it successfully. And we backed it up perfectly, lined it back up with its tracks, got it to where it's supposed to be. Hopefully all the neighbors are happy with it, and I don't get a phone call saying I'm one way over or another, but we did it. Step one, we haven't got it smogged yet. I just drove it around. I pulled it back in, and I turned it off, and I waited a few seconds, and I started it back up, and it fired right up in the first crank. So the battery's kept a charge. It's an interstate. It's a heavy-duty cycle RV edition. So I think I left one of the switches on that may have drained the main battery. So I turned everything off, I double checked it. So hopefully in a couple of days I'll have time to come back and get it smog checked and be ready for next month's drag day. Anyways, I just wanted to give you all updates. I'm trying to get there. It's harder than I estimated to get this thing going again, but we did it. We got it started, got it driving, got it back safe, and now we just have to try and get it smogged and registered before next month. Alrighty, thank you for watching, and as always, like and subscribe to our channel. It helps the channel grow. Thank you. Bye-bye.